Welcome to another Bad Fab video. Got a fun one today. We are out 1300 for another. Yeah.
Hayabusa swap, baby.
Pretty cool. Promise. Yeah.
Dylan's car's a bit broke. Just like, as soon as you lost it,
Oh, so good.
The cylinder was down, so that makes sense.
turbo line.
Oh, mate, you gotta watch that YouTube. Oh, Bad Fab.
12 hours gone.
Alright.
Everyone enjoyed this one,
Yeah.
but it's time to go. Time
We
to
could
go.
have probably done a few more things, but no, we're just no.
Nah.
No.
Moving on to greater things now.
Yep.
So, this front wheel drive motor's coming out.
Yep.
We're gonna do a chain driven diff. So it's gonna stay front wheel drive for simplicity reasons.
Yeah.
Just to get her going.
Yep. I don't actually know how simple it's going to be, but
We're gonna pull
in
apart
our
the
heads-
transmission.
In our heads, it's gonna go.
Simpler than most projects, you know?
Yeah. Something of the scale anyway. Yeah.
Feel free to let us know what you guys think, because we will be taking all opinions into consideration, but motor will be sitting along there, chain drive to shed diff back there.
Yeah, to the crown gear
Yep.
on the diff.
Couple engine mounts, wire up. Job done.
Should be pretty good considering all the wiring's already there.
Yep.
We just need to maybe extend a few things here and there.
Shouldn't be
Definitely
too
the fuel
much.
pump.
Yeah.
Put the dash in where the other dash is and
Should be a race car.
good to go. Because we don't need anything out of here anymore.
No.
Other than, how are we going to get vacuum?
I was thinking, because this one's just attached to the manifold right here. If we can just hook it straight to the manifold,
Manifold on that one.
literally,
But the ITB's.
we will
We'll
think
figure
about that.
Alright, let's crack into it.
Pull a few things out.
Pull a few things off and, well, a few things. The whole
Everything out.
lot. The whole lot. Let's go. Ta-da! Preparation.
How we looking, mate?
Oh, mate. I tell you now,
Yeah?
we should get a junkyard because we're good at pulling things apart.
Yeah, I like that. I enjoy pulling things apart. That's fun.
Right. It's probably been about half an hour, I want to say.
Yeah.
All we're going to do now is just pull the two radiator hoses,
Yep.
take the two heater hoses off,
Yep. Axles out.
axles are out, all the
Wiring's disconnected.
the wiring harness is disconnected.
Or lack
you know,
of.
all two plugs.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little bit of an under exaggeration, but you know.
So,
Um,
now it's just some engine mounts and some.
engine mounts and a couple of
What?
hoses and boom, she's out.
Easy.
And we're gonna sit the new heart in there just so we can, you know,
See
make
it.
ourselves feel good.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Me.
Sweet.
Go in the thing you're supposed to go in. You mate.
Oh, how good.
Oh, we found the issue. There's another engine mount hidden at the bottom.
Underneath the front.
So it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 engine mounts.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Now she's gone.
No, it's not.
No.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Woo! Nah, it's been like that the whole time. There we go. She's free.
Oh, now it's easy as the pump. That's like as.
Oh.
Oh, you're right.
Hold on. There we go. Yeah, carry on.
That's just stabbing into the radiator. Fuck yeah.
Bam! There we go. The heart of the Corolla is gone.
Oh. Mine's right in front of me, didn't even notice. Couple more compares.
That's as high as she goes, mate.
Yep. It's not doing
And we're not going to get it past that part of the car. We're going to have to swing it out sideways. Go down. Yeah. Okay. Alright, we'll do that.
Sweet. 12 valve out. I've got a little turbo.
Yeah, she's gone.
And heaps of room to play
Look
with.
at that room. Except we've got to put a diff back in there.
Yep. So, she's on the hoist.
We just got to...
Plonk. One of those ones. Okay. Let's do a ting. The motor is in. She's in. It's not where it will be sitting.
It's pretty close.
I think it's gonna need to go forwards because for the room for the diff
definitely.
and chain. We're gonna make that as short as possible, and then we're gonna need to move that to make room for headers,
Easy.
and then probably shift it, probably maybe an inch or two this way,
Yeah, probably.
and then should we mint?
Sort out all the wiring, tuck all that away, make it tidy.
Yep.
Get
That's
rid of
you.
all the old Corolla, the 2E parts.
Yeah. Get rid of everything we don't need there. Loop that.
Or should we just undo that? Bolt that to the one we've already got everything tweaked to over there.
And then hopefully for brakes, ideally we can just grab that vacuum and put that on the intake box. Will that work?
Nowhere else to go.
Because you can't, there's no intake runner obviously to put it on.
So,
Like there's no intake plenum, quote unquote. So can we run it from there? I don't know.
surely.
But yeah, she'll drop down a little bit more. Rocker covers will end up just out of the hood. That will look cool. Little forced induction, little face.
That'll be me.
But yeah, we'll see what we can do about having a little start it now, maybe.
Yeah? Yeah.
Are we fine start it?
Yeah, they're over here. Oh, yeah, switch sides there. Yeah, that's getting so much better.
So much better.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, at least you can buy those.
Yeah.
It's not too great to buy. Yeah. Okay. Full throttle. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, ready?
I think so. Everything's picked up.
Oh, shit, I'm standing right in front of the fucking noise.
Alright, dash is on. This is gonna be loud.
Yeah.
Oh. We got a click and everything went out.
Take
Everything went out.
it off and plug it in.
Positive, negative.
Oh.
Look
Look at that.
I wasn't re-earthed
Yeah,
it
yeah.
because it's just on like
Yeah.
a bolt through,
Okay.
Sweet.
Yep. Mean.
No flames?
I don't know, like, to be honest.
Oh.
I don't think there was. There was definitely no big bright light.
Should we do it one more time?
Oh yeah, fucking might as well.
One
It's up
more
to you.
while we're
I
here.
don't know how good it is running it on.
It's not, and it's not good running on ether, but cause it strips all the oil. But
One more while we're here.
that's on, that's on, that's on. Apparently, that strips the oil from the
Cylinder walls, yeah.
Yeah.
flames on that one.
Yeah. The motor, she's in, she runs. We're running Corolla.
Yeah, well.
Oh well.
We have a Hayabusa and a Corolla and it runs.
How good?
Just doesn't move it.
Not yet.
Not yet. But that'll be coming soon.
Soon.
So yeah, we'll just get this thing situated in the next video. And clean everything up, make it look mint. But yeah, for now, I hope you guys enjoyed. Because we did. That was me.
Yeah, that was good fun. I'm
Yeah,
so excited.
Flames on the last one too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, no, man. Sweet. Alright.
Catch us in the next one. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube. Oh, Bad Fab. Smashing gears. Oh.
Go in reverse, you bitch.
Hmm.